This overthinking, oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar.
Dalian mo lang.
Gusto ko kantahin mo yung madaling-madali lang.
Yung pinakamadali
Yung,
na.
yung dadalhin. Oo, dadalhin.
Talaga?
Ko sa palasyo. Palasyo ng...
Walker ending to.
Hindi, ito ang simula ng iyong penguin career.
Penguin?
Ay, hindi, sorry. Hindi. Abangan mo
Okay
yun.
lang, kasi marami naman akong hirit kanina. Sige, pinagaganti na kita. Sana lang.
Ang sama niyo, ba't kayo tumawa? Ang sama niyo. Ang ganda nga ng suit niyo. Ang ganda. Promise, maganda.
Wala namang buntot eh.
Wala.
Kasi wala namang buntot ng
Happy
penguin.
feet. Ladies and gentlemen, Duterte Quesada.
ba?
Beautiful. Tapos,
Kasi yung version ko, mas makakasabay kayo. Yung kay Regine, mahirap.
ang ganda kaya.
Wow, shining, shimmering, splendid. Penguin din naman ang dating niya.
Shining penguin ako. No, but you really look. I was watching you from the monitors.
Mm.
You look really beautiful.
While you were dressing?
Yeah, I was watching you and
While I was dressing or here?
no, in the backstage.
Okay,
While
wala.
I was in the room, I watched you. I said, "Hindi naman mukhang penguin.
Hindi naman. Oh, ano?
Killer whale."
Orca. Well, as you know, we composed a lot of songs for other artists, di ba?
Yes, we did.
Lalo na ako. I really...
Ba't kayo
natawa lang ako kasi may naisip ako.
Ano yun?
Yung penguin pa rin, hindi pa ako nakakamukod sa penguin. So ako, I started my career as a songwriter, but 1 year lang naman eh. Tapos the following year, I did my own.
Did you?
Yeah.
You started your career as a songwriter?
Oh, wait, baka may accent na ngayon.
I don't know.
Okay.
But did you? Because I started my career as a fashion model.
Ano yan, parang children's catalog? Hindi, kasi baka ako nung bata ka pa.
Grabe siya.
Alam mo, sino naalala ko sa'yo? Kaya ako tuntua sa'yo, parang kang anak ko. Ganyan-ganyan ang height nung anak ko nung 11.
Wala akong balik.
Wala. Uy, oh, sumasama yung glitter mo.
Oo nga. Ano pa naman yan?
Mahal ba yun?
Hindi. Ano lang to sa sastre ko. But as for me, so I started as a fashion model and then I became a singer. Then eventually, I realized na pwede pala ako maging composer. At okay lang kayo. At di, ikaw tawa-tawa. Seryoso tong show. Serious kami artists. Nirespeto kami.
Kita mo, ang dami namin testimonials.
Oo, yun nga lang. Naka-penguin siya.
Ikaw ang penguin, ako orca. So now allow us to sing some of the songs that we have composed for the other artists that we've worked with before.
House